In this video, we are going to learn how to correctly set up the exact location of your scan points in order to use the Scans Activity Report in advanced reporting. In order to use correctly and get the most out of the scan points dashboard, which shows you the level of proximity your workers are to the scan point, you must configure the exact location of each scan point. To do this, go to Scan Points and click on the name of the scan point. In the Location section, you need to enter its precise location. To get this information, open Google Maps and search for the location. When using Google Maps, start by searching for the location of your site. If it's easier, zoom in as much as possible and position yourself in a way that helps you clearly identify where your scan points or checkpoints are located within the site. Once you've identified the exact spot, click on the location until a gray location marker appears. After that, information about the selected location will appear at the bottom of the screen. For example, a name like Southeast Orlando. Next, click on the coordinates. These are the blue numbers displayed under the location name. When you click on them, a detailed overview panel will appear on the left-hand side of the screen. Look for the icon that, when you hover over it, displays Copy plus Code. This is the exact code you need. Copy the plus code, then go back to the mobohubb web portal and paste it into the location field of your scan point. Finally, click Submit to save the information. Now your scan points are ready. After setting up scans correctly, this is how your Scans Activity Report should look like.